If you say make you run investigation on top this road now, you go discover say they go don't give somebody money to do this road. Out of greediness, the person don't chop am.
God have mercy upon us.
I say if you say make we run investigation like this on top this particular road now when don't spoil, you fit discover say they already give some politician money to do this road. Out of greediness, they don't chop am.
God, I beg go.
The one when they pay me pass, even the people when give them the money to do that road, them go there aware say their boy don't chop the money based on say themselves na the father of corruption. Them go keep quiet.
I go pause this thing true.
I go keep quiet.
Yeah.
And none of us expect this country to move forward. Very sad. I dey talk this thing now, all of una they look and like say na play. Like say don't go smoke again. Before many of una go realize what I dey talk for here, the whole world go down on Lagos.